Yo people, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. We're in the woods tonight at WARLEY bike park. I haven't been to this place in years and a lot has changed. Tonight we've got Joe Simpkins and Darren Easter with me tonight. Yeah, stick around because this video is going to be sick. Yeah, because I can probably, I reckon you go under it or something.
Wow. Big train. Yo.
Where's the enduro lid today?
There's a reason I'm not wearing that.
Why?
And I'll show you. Hold on. Yeah. Huge die.
I'm going to stitch that in right now.
You're right.
Any particular reason why your bike sounded like it was snapping the whole way down?
Because it's... I don't really want to say this. Probably something to do with being Pilgrim's Way. Well, it used to be the Pilgrim's Way.
Valid enough point for me.
Yeah.
Absolutely steaming down. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Wow, glad I got that on film.
I nearly had that. Yeah, I overjumped that one. Did it hit again? Yeah, man.
You alright?
Yeah.
Joe, you missed it. Darren absolutely died.
Did he?
Hard.
Is he right?
Yeah. Hopefully I'm not going to get hit. Only just though. His back wheel landed there. Or his front wheel, one of the
I wonder
two.
what that is in foot.
Yeah, I reckon where he took off to where he landed, it was at least 25 foot.
My head.
Oh. Concerningly close to you. Woo! Oh! Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-oh.
The bike snapped.
Sounds like you're throwing off a
scarily
cliff.
creaky. And it's carbon. Drop
Why
a
are you
fork.
acting like you know what you're looking at?
It's a good point, really, isn't it? Yeah. Doing some. That's the noise I'm not enjoying. Oh, yeah, we've got one.
Uh-oh.
There you go, guys.
I knew it.
I know.
She's got a crack.
I knew it.
The carbon is dead.
Didn't you buy like that? Didn't you
No.
buy off Sam with a crack?
Probably.
Bit of gaffer tape and you sorted, mate. Well, that is one good thing then, because Joe's going to be doing all the filming now.
Basket in Miranda?
I think I'll borrow it.
Bar it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my.
Where is the basket?
No idea. Could be cool to buy. I reckon tail would.
A tail would I can't talk. A tail would be sick.
Yeah, tail would be cool. It's just whether I can do it or not.
I think you can.
Let's see how I feel up there. Be prepared for a basket or a tail whip. That was so close to... Look, that's how I went the whole way down. I just didn't want to crush my balls. Let's try that again, I think. Oh, sick. Shall we move down to the bottom now?
Already been there, mate.
Ah.
No, maybe in the video we won't have, so yeah. Ignore that. Yeah, let's move down to the bottom.
Let's go down to the bottom. Go on then.
Heading down to shoot some clips at the bottom. Gonna make Cam do a backflip. You don't know it yet, but we'll get him to do it.
I said to the camera a minute ago that I'm going to get you to do a backflip.
A backflip?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I'm thinking this is the jump.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, you got that.
Are you sure?
It's over jumpy,
Yeah,
so you'll be
my
fine.
Back.
Listen, I'm the master of backflips.
Yeah, Oh!
Easy.
He's got that. That's definitely doable. Gonna bully him into it now. Let's go.
Absolutely doable.
Huh?
Absolutely doable.
Yeah, I think Just scary because I haven't actually rode the jump that many times, but nah, let's do it.
You. Easy.
It did feel like
See?
a big huck.
No, that's a big flip.
It did feel like a big
Quite a
huck.
big flip.
And you see the rope he tucked around at the end.
Probably a bit on the wider boys,
Oh,
so you
yeah.
can barely see it.
What about we film that cool transfer at the top? Woo! Right, I think that's the end of the video now, because we're definitely running out of light. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.